Having a lack of self-confidence can affect nearly all areas of your life. It can affect you while out with friends, while giving a presentation, and while meeting new people, to name but a few. Confidence issues can be brought about for many different reasons, and over time, they become so commonplace that we just expect them to happen. If you are dealing with confidence issues at the moment, you will understand just how it can affect your life and sometimes even stop you from doing things that you really want to. Some people allow it, so it affects them in getting a promotion or meeting new people. I have put together a list of some of the tips that I give to my clients to help them regain their confidence. 1. Surround yourself with positivity. Positive, enthusiastic, and passionate people are contagious. Surround yourself with them and allow their confidence to brush off on you. By being around positive people, we will learn how they confidently deal with things in their life that would throw us off course. 2. Create a new image. This is a fantastic tip that will leave you feeling great. Go out and get a whole new image that oozes with confidence. New clothes, new hairstyle, or better posture. When you have this new image, you can act up to it with confidence and allow the new you to be born. 3. Watch what you say to yourself. We all talk to ourselves as we think about things. We say things like, "Oh, I can't afford that." This type of inner talk can be quite negative as it closes our mind to finding a solution. Instead, saying something like, "How could I afford that?" allows you to use your brain for thinking and ultimately finding a solution. 4. Make a change. Move career, house, or make new friends. If you find that an element of your life is causing you to lack confidence, change it. Remember, though, that you set the limit on what is impossible. So open up your mind and consciously decide what you can and can't do, rather than just relying on your emotions to make these decisions for you. I hope that you put this small collection of tips to good use and get the confidence that you deserve and desire.